Yes.
Good evening. Am I talking to Registrar Chandigarh University?
Yes.
Yeah, I am calling from Awaken India Movement.
May I
Yes,
know
sir.
your good name?
My name is Virendra.
Okay. And
Yeah,
you are from?
I'm from Awaken India Movement.
Just a minute. Your voice is not audible. Yes. You are Virender from?
Awaken India Movement.
Yes.
This is regarding a circular which has been issued by you about the mandatory vaccination for college admission.
It is not mandatory. It is for those who want to come to the campus. Otherwise, the university has already allowed the students to continue the online mode.
No, but why they are denied the offline mode?
No, no, I can't get it. Why?
Why they are being denied the offline mode means they cannot why they cannot come to the campus without getting vaccinated? Because the government
Because,
has not made it mandatory for the vaccination. They have made it totally
no, no.
voluntary. It is clearly mentioned on the central government website.
My dear, if any of the foreigner or an international person is coming, the same he has to come up with the documents
No, I'm
that
talking
the
about an
person
Indian
is
student. I'm
the
not talking about
same.
any foreign.
No, no, but Indian. This is what is the government guidelines. The Punjab government has issued the guidelines.
That Punjab government has issued the guideline that the vaccination is mandatory.
No, no. This is what is the language. What they have used the same language we have used.
I'll tell you why I have called you. The thing is that we are sending legal notices to all the organizations which are making it mandatory. So I'm just getting a
There
point
is
of
no
view. No,
word
no.
like mandatory. Just let's be very
It
clear
is it
about
is
it.
it is
Huh?
there in the circular. The must be vaccinated.
That's right, but because if in a class there are people who are going to be there, we
Uh-huh.
also have to take care. At the same time, we are also allowing the students, those who don't want to the campus, they can continue their study from their homes or from the places where they reside.
No, sir, but if they want to come to the campus, why they are being denied that without vaccination? Because if the government has made it voluntary, then why it has to be
That
made
is what
mandatory?
we are also saying.
So we are actually what we are doing is we are sending legal notices if there is something is made mandatory and the basic constitutional right is being denied to anyone. That is why I'm just trying to get a clarification
So
that if any
what
such
you want?
written.
What you want?
Yeah,
That
what I want is if you
hmm,
have any written order from government of Punjab that they
hmm,
have made it mandatory that a person cannot attend the university without getting vaccinated, we would
hmm.
definitely like to have that circular from you
Okay,
or any notice.
okay.
Yeah.
And no, no, this is from the Punjab government side. But basically, what you want for
What we want is that what this kind of circular which is being issued is
hmm,
totally unconstitutional.
that is what is the further outcome of it? What
The
you are
outcome is
looking
that the
for?
students who do not want to get vaccinated, they want
Hmm.
to attend the campus, so they should not be denied for.
Okay, and
That is what we want.
okay, you send us so that we will also share with the colleagues of these students
Uh-huh.
that if their parents and those students allow, we can have a view.
No, but
Okay.
some students they have sent you a letter to authority which we have prepared for the whole India. People are
Hmm.
submitting it, but you are not giving any reply on that. One of us, few students have submitted that to you.
No, no, we are reverting back to the students, but as you said, you want to send something in terms of legal. Yes, we will definitely revert back to it.
Okay. No,
Okay,
but
it's
would you
big.
like to share your point of view I mean, in terms of that what any such order has been issued in return from the government?
Once you will share the details, we will also revert back. We will go as per the UGCs and Government of India or Punjab government guidelines. We
But
are
सर
very clear with this.
सर वही मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि जब सरकार ने इसको मैंडेटरी नहीं किया है तो पंजाब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट मिनिस्ट्री
सर
ऑफ हेल्थ जो है
आप मैं वही कह रहे हैं ना, देखिए, अगर हमें कोई डायरेक्शंस आई हैं तो हम उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली चल रहे हैं। अगर आपके अकॉर्डिंगली हमारे पास कुछ आएगा, वी विल सीक द ओपिनियन।
बट सर लेकिन मैं वही आपके पास ऑर्डर्स आए हैं बट बीइंग अ रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ ए यूनिवर्सिटी
We will go with whatever the, I repeat, whatever is the UGC guidelines, whatever is the Government of India or Punjab government guidelines.
even if that is compromising the health of the students
How in that way it is compromising the
because
health?
vaccination if you don't know vaccination actually is not it has not been proved scientifically that it is benefiting people.
Again, this is a different topic we can't comment on.
No, but sir, you have to look into it because the people's lives depend on it.
Hello.
You have to get the knowledge of it because people's students' life depends on it. What if
That is
someone
what we
something
are saying.
happen? If something happens due to the
You
vaccine,
know,
students, who will be
our
responsible for that?
honorable Prime Minister of India has also said that one should be encouraged to go for vaccination. So
Yeah,
this
he should
matter,
be encouraged, sir, but he should not be. He should not be coerced to take the vaccine. उसको जबरदस्ती वैक्सीन लेने के लिए आप उस पर कैंपस ना आने का अगर बोलेंगे तो he will
नहीं
do
नहीं
that ना
नहीं,
कि पढ़ाई के लिए वो
ऐसा
कहेगा
कुछ
कि मैं वैक्सीन लगा लेता हूँ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं. आप देखिए, हमें सेफ्टी ऑफ अदर पर्सन एंड ऑल द सिटीजंस ऑफ इंडिया भी देखना है.
सही सब आप सर
आप जो बात कर रहे हैं, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि if a person is, let's say, affected with that pandemic, so again from the democratic right, let that person roam here and there. देखिए डॉक्टर, आप ऐसा है मिस्टर दीपिंदर जी, आपने जो बोला है, अगर आप सेंड करना चाह रहे हैं, आप डेफिनेटली कीजिए. मैं आपके साथ आर्ग्यू नहीं करूंगा.
नो सर आई एम नॉट आर्ग्यूइंग विद यू आल्सो. मैं ये कह रहा हूं, एक स्टूडेंट आपके पास कोई अगर इस
सर
बारे में
अगेन,
लेटर डिपॉजिट
मैं
करता
उस
है तो
स्टूडेंट,
प्लीज गिव ए रिप्लाई इन
उस
टाइम.
वी आर रिवर्टिंग बैक.
सो नोबडी इज रिवर्टिंग. सर आई
No,
सेड
we are
मिस्टर
reverting
विशाल,
back. We are
मिस्टर
reverting
विशाल.
back. हमने उनको रिवर्ट किया. The student can continue with the online mode.
नो सर दैट इज नॉट द आंसर ऑफ माय क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली.
Again, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ.
You cannot prevent anybody to attend the college just because of vaccination.
This is
Actually,
what we
that
are
is not
saying.
correct.
This is what we are saying, that we will go with the government guidelines. That's all.
But that is contempt of Supreme Court's order. You know that, sir.
सर आप, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, आप हम व्यू ले लेंगे.
ठीक है सर. तो मैं we will be sending you a letter. So I would request you to please address that.
Definitely, definitely.
Thank you.
All
Thank you.
these, yes, definitely.
Thank you so much, sir.